Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick here from 45 Degrees Sailing and I am in Zagreb. Now, I've been here all week and I'm going to share a little bit about what I've learned while I've been here and some of the people that I've met who have been absolutely incredible. Come with me. Now, we're going to go around the city, we're going to go and visit the people that I've visited through the week. So, as I say in Croatia, pomalo, take your time, slowly, and I'm going to go catch up now with Tanja Polegubić. She's now going to meet me and we're going to ask her what she loves about this city. So, welcome Tanya, how are you?
Great.
Excellent. We're going to duck through here and we're going to find a cool place to have a chat.
Cool.
So Tanya, we've had a brilliant week here in Zagreb. What do you love about Zagreb?
The first thing I love about Zagreb is just how beautiful it is. It wasn't very hard to find a beautiful backdrop, number one. Second, there is something on every corner, whether it's music, bars, people congregating, having coffee, a flower stand. There's often something.
It's a vibe, isn't
there?
It's alive. And we just stumbled across this festival the other night,
I know.
which was so cool.
Yeah, and we wanted to stay, but we had other things to do. So there's lots to do. The people. I know I say this a lot, but we have got to know so many amazing people throughout this because the intention was to visit as many venues as possible to really show off the city and especially bring more business to places that really needed it. So Borgstein, Ivan and Doris, Eva at Swanky, Mirella at Bizkošnica. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Just great people.
Now this is an absolute testament to the fact that we need to come back, we need to spend more time because we got around as many of these people as we could, but there are so many more that I would love to be able to mention. So on that note, we're going to go back in time and we're going to visit these people through the week. I hope you enjoy it and should we do something cool to sign off? Jump off here.
Yeah, alright.
You'll know when to cheer. They're going to know when to cheer. How's it going, everyone? So this part of our week in Zagreb, up here for the Zagreb Digital Nomads week, I'm here with Eva from Secret Zagreb. Now, we are really stoked to be out here. We are on a walking tour. We did one last night, and I'm really looking forward to this one because this one is, actually the group's going to tell you what this one. This is the walking tour for the...
Badass women.
For the...
Badass women.
It's getting better. This is the walking tour for the...
Badass women of Zagreb.
That's what the walking tour is for.
Hello, going to explore.
Eva, tell us a little bit about Secret Zagreb. Tell me, what inspired you to start this company, this tour?
I really wanted to keep some memories of the city alive and maybe some places that are usually left out of normal tourist routes to put them in the first plan, yes.
I like that because last night's tours was the Inventors and that was a lot of fun. This is Badass Women of Zagreb, thank you everyone. And tomorrow's is?
Ghosts and Dragons.
Ghosts and Dragons, excellent. So look, a lot of fun with these tours. Now you have been very kindly putting out these tours for us for Digital Nomad Week here in Zagreb. Why do you love the city?
Why do I love the city?
Why do you love the city?
Well, because it's like an infinite city. You can always start to walk even in a familiar neighborhood and you're going to find something that you've never seen before, something that you want to know more about. That's what happens to me and to everyone who's enthusiastic about simply walking around the city.
I love that. I absolutely love that. Well, look, we are really excited about the rest of this tour. Congratulations on an amazing company, an amazing experience that you've given to everyone, and for all the people that are coming to Zagreb, I will definitely link Eva's Secret Zagreb below so you can check it out when you are here. So I will not interrupt any longer. Please continue.
Thank you.
Okay, we are on our way now for lunch. We're going to Kai Street Food. Now, I've had huge ravings about this from the Tanja Polegubić from Saltwater Nomads, and I'm really hungry, so I'm 100% looking forward to it. We're late, but hopefully they're going to forgive us that. Anyway, here goes Kai Street Food. Okay, so this is Kai Street Food, and it's a really funky little spot nestled in down off one of the main streets in Zagreb. We're here with the group. These guys have reserved us a table. It's been great so far, and we got this huge glass of cold water as we came in. So we're going to cheers to that, and we're going to have a feed, then we're off to our next location.
Welcome to Kai Street Food Bar.
Cheers, Shivali. Hey, that's quite nice. Smell it. We're out. This morning we just sat down at Coggins Coffee on the way to the next event, and of course every day starts with coffee, so that's where we're at. And this came highly recommended by a number of people, including one of our speakers this week, so we are very much enjoying the coffee here, and it's a beautiful place to start the day, even though it's next to quite a busy street. It's lined with trees, it's really bright and sunny, it's quite beautiful, and it's been really hot, and it's nice and cool here, so loving cooking to a coffee this morning. Thank you guys. Alright, so we're here now. This is Mirella, and this is her co-work space.
It's Bizkošnica co-working. Bizkošnica means actually Biz Hive.
Biz Hive?
Biz Hive.
Like the bees, like the hive.
Bees,
I like that. Bizkošnica, and it's located very close to the center in Zagreb, and it's a beautiful co-work. We're in one of the smaller rooms. We've got 3 digital nomads, digital nomading behind us here. There's a number of small offices and bigger offices in here. So,
why Zagreb? Because it's small and cozy, but it has everything what really like big metropolis have. Zagreb is green, Zagreb is urban, Zagreb has lots of cool people.
You really love Zagreb, I like that, I like that. What sort of people are you finding coming through?
We have local workers, mostly independent, so freelancers, small businesses, and we have international crowd, also digital nomads. Because it's attractive, because we're located in the city center, and the British Square is the coolest square.
And this view, the view at the north side of the windows here onto British Square is beautiful.
Yeah, the building is actually from the beginning of the last century.
Oh wow! We've really enjoyed our time here at Bizkošnica, and the internet's been super fast, which was great. We did a full live stream.
And the coffee is great.
I needed that this morning. The coffee is great, and it's so close to the rest of the stuff here in Zagreb. So if you want to learn more about Bizkošnica or you're visiting, we'll link your website below, so anyone can get in touch with you. And thank you so much for hosting us.
Thank you.
Looking forward to the rest of our week here in Zagreb.
Me too.
All right,
Bye.
I'm going to leave these guys alone. So, welcome back. We are here now at Swanky, and this has been a really fun venue this whole time, and I'm here with Eva. Hello. Eva, what is Swanky?
Hello.
Tell me.
Swanky is the best place in the world. You have everything here. A hostel, a bar, a travel agency, everything that you need, one place. Yeah.
Like that sort of one-stop shop feel. So everyone can get what they need while they're here. Anyway, enough about that. We're here this week for the Digital Nomad Week in Zagreb, and Swanky sponsored one of our live stream days. We've just been here.
Yeah.
We have finished our stream for the day. We're doing mojitos out of the tap. It's been really, really nice and fresh. So again, along this theme of Zagreb, Eva is here. Eva, where are you from?
I'm born and raised here in Zagreb,
There we
so
go.
proper local, yeah.
Now, we've been talking about what people love about Zagreb and how the city feels for you. So tell us, what's your favorite thing about Zagreb?
Oh my god, it's so many things, so many diverse things. I love the people, I love the parks, I love the weather, I love that there's so many different things that you can do. Anything from partying, from different events, cool bars, cool restaurants, but also a lot of opportunities for business or any kind of pleasure.
I don't think I need to say anything else. That's pretty.
Yeah.
That's pretty brilliant. So
Are
look,
we splitting our paycheck?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah. So look, this is Swanky. If you're in Zagreb, definitely come and check it out. Happy hour is great here, and mojitos on tap, all sorts of other things, and it's a really cool spot. And I do believe that in the future there may be there might be a pool here in the future, so I'm really excited about that. Anyway, I'll link the information for Swanky below. Check it out if you want some hostel accommodation or you just want to come and have a good time. Thank you so much, Eva. It's been amazing.
Not a problem.
And
Thank
we
you
will
so
see
much.
You out. Now we're going to do a double boom. Ready? Can you see it like this and go straight into the camera? No, this way.
What?
Point it this way.
I'm
That
pointing
way,
it
that way,
this way?
and go straight in.
All
Ready?
right.
Okay, so we just finished at Swanky. Now I'm heading out to Eliza, one of the iconic streets here in Zagreb, to meet up with Jong. And Jong's huge influence and help with this Digital Nomad Association and the whole Digital Nomad permit here in Croatia. So let's catch up with Jong.
Hey Nick, doing great man.
So we've just come in off Eliza because it was so hot and noisy out there we couldn't hear ourselves at all. So we've just dropped into this lovely little beer garden. There's so many spots like this around the city, which is one of the things I'm loving about it. The other day you spoke and you said to you Zagreb was kind of like a little Vienna.
Yes, it is.
So
I mean, that's the nickname of the city actually. Little Vienna.
Yeah. Please tell me, what is it that you love about Zagreb and why? What brings you here? Why would you think people want to be here?
First of all, I would say that the architecture in the center is just amazing, really beautiful. Very, very similar to actually Vienna.
Yeah.
And for me, you know, also being an entrepreneur in Croatia for a long time already, Zagreb is actually the place where everything happens in terms of business. So it's a very dynamic city. Everything connected to business is happening in the capital.
Yeah.
So very vibrant and amazing people are here, and a lot of great places like this. You know, I've never been here, but this is beautiful here.
So as far as like digital nomads coming here, or people coming here to live temporarily, that vibe to me, that kind of sells it, doesn't it?
Yes.
And what do you think about as an all-year destination as well?
I mean, for me, I've been living here for 14 years, and I don't want to leave anymore. So I think that Croatia has everything to offer great content year-round. Also, if you are, for example, based in Zagreb, it takes you like only an hour and a half to be at the coast.
Yeah.
So you have everything in such a close circle, basically.
Yeah. It's been an amazing week here. I want to come back. I want to come back, spend more time. I've lived in Croatia for 4.5 years, and I have not seen enough of Zagreb at all. I want to do more walking tours. I want to do more quad bike tours. I want to see what's in the area. So really looking forward to that, and I hope anyone else watching the video that wants to experience this part of Zagreb, or this style of Zagreb we've been seeing, get here, be here. It is a great city, and as you've seen through the video, the food, I've been really enjoying this.
Yes,
so
it's
look,
very nice.
Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, and any comments, put them below, and if they are for Jan or for us, anyone through the week, I will try and get answers from those people. If not, we'll answer them the best we can ourselves. Thanks for watching. We're definitely going to go and have a drink because it is a hot day and it's beautiful, and we're going to be out there.
Ciao.
Okay, Zagreb is fantastic. Zagreb has a great vibe. Zagreb is accessible.
I love Zagreb.
Zagreb is awesome. Zagreb is fun.
Zagreb?
Nice.